In this hands-on practice, we're going to work with the opacity property and configure a web page using it. So we're going to create a new folder. Oops, not that button. This is going to be opacity, chapter 6. And we're going to go to our chapter 6 starter files, and we want to copy the fall image. We want to get our template. Let's see if it's in our chapter 1 data files. There it is, template. Bring that over. I'm going to change its name, so I'm going to rename that to index.html. Actually, we should just be able to name index because it's already got the HTML file extension. And so now we're going to open it with our Notepad++. We're going to change the page title to Fall Nature Hikes. Within our body section, we're going to add a div with an ID of content. And within that div, we're going to create a H1 that says Fall Nature Hikes. So let's see what we're looking with right now. This is all we're working with so far. This is all we've done. So now we're going to add a style tag, an embedded style tag within our head section. That's going to give an ID named content that's going to display our image. That does not repeat. It'll have a width, the height, and auto margins, and some padding on top. So up here within our head section, we're going to go content, background image, URL, fall.jpg, background repeat, no repeat, margin of auto, width 640 pixels, height 480 pixels, padding top 20 pixels. Save that. Oops, something's wrong. Oh, haha. Forgot my style tag. So I could look at this immediately and go, whoa, this is not how this is supposed to look. What did I do wrong? So now if I save it, there we go. That looks much better than that right there. All because I forgot the opening and closing style tag. So here we go. We've got our image going on. We've got our selections all around it. Got the auto margin turned on. Specified its width and height. So again, if I make this smaller, you'll see that if I've got a really big browser, because we've specified how wide and how tall we want it to be. So now, within that style tag, I'm going to configure my H1, because my H1 is what has my text Fall Nature Hikes in it, remember? It's going to have a background color, opacity, font size 4em, padding 10 pixels, margin left 40 pixels. Save that, run it, and now we have an opacity. So we went from there, we'll skip the mess up, to there, to there. Again, just a couple lines of code within our styles, and we make it look much more refined and attractive.